This time, let's try to add a table without writing too much HTML code. So in this example, we will try to add a table on our page without having to write too much HTML code. On our Dreamweaver, go to the design view, and then while you are in the design view, go to your insert bar. So my insert bar is located at the top of my document toolbar. There it is, the insert bar, and then I will look for the icon called table. And then to add a table, click the icon table, and then from here, you define the number of rows that you want to add, as well as the number of columns. And then we define the width of our table, the thickness, cell padding, and cell spacing. And then you also specify where you want to add a header. So everything here is given. Let's choose here, header at the top, and then let's add a caption. Let's say list of candidates. And then let's turn this table width to 500. And then let's turn the padding 5. And let's keep everything as is. So then let's click OK. So there you go. We have now this beautiful table. Now, let's see what happened at the back of our page. Let's go to the code view and examine what happened here. So we have the caption, and then we have these attributes for our table, such as the width, border, cell spacing, and cell padding. And then for our t-body, we have here the tr for the first row, another tr for the second row, and another tr for the third row. At this moment, we cannot see our header. So meaning you have to include it by writing it. So to do that, let's write here t-head. Then inside of the t-head, let's write here tr. And then we'll write here th for the first header, second header, and third header. Okay, we can write here last name or first header, then first name or second header, and then middle name for our third header. And then if you want to add content for each column, then you can do that on this NBSP, or what we call the non-breaking space. And for the t-foot, let's add it just below the t-body. Let's write here t-foot. And then let's add here tr. And then let's add here td with call span of 3. So remember that we have 3 columns. So we want to merge the 3 columns. That is why we are adding here call span 3D, meaning the column will span into 3 columns, but it will be shown as one. Okay, so let's see that in our design view. So there you go. This is now our table. Then you can add on our design view the names that you wanted to. Let's say Smith. And then to change the alignment of this, I can select this one. And then from the we have here the cell, and then the horse alignment, meaning the horizontal alignment, and the vert alignment or the vertical alignment. So we can change this to horizontal to center or horizontal to left. Okay. Same with this first name. Let's say okay. So let's fix the alignment of this. Let's go to our cell on our properties window. and then look for the horizontal alignment, then change that to left align, center, or whatever your preference is. So for mine, I will choose left. And basically, this is shown as bold. So let's investigate why is that this is shown as bold. So let's go to our code view. And then, so we have here the strong tag. So let's remove the strong tag. So I'm creating three insertion point by pressing the Control, Alt, and then pressing the delete. Same with this, Control, Alt, and then delete. So there you go. And then go back to our design view, save the changes. Let's preview this in our browser. Okay, so we cannot still remove the strong. Let's go back to our Dreamweaver. Go back to our code view. Okay, so I guess because of we have here the TH. So because of the TH, that is why our Smith and Jones together with Hill are displayed as strong. So we can rename this by holding the Control and Alt, sorry, Control Alt, or just Control, and then we will change this to TD. There you go. Same with this. Control, then click, then we will name this TD. And then there's no need for us to use the scope. So what we can do for this is just select this scope, Control, click, the left click of your mouse, and then delete the entire scope. And then go back to our design view, and then there you have it. So the Smith, Jones, and Hill are displayed without the strong tag. Okay, if you want to merge a cell using the design view, you can do that by selecting the cell. In this case, I'm going to select Hill and McCarthy. And then what I'm going to do is to go to my cell and then click the merge. Okay, so it will be merged. Same with this. Select this one, click then drag using my mouse, click then drag, then hit the merge selected cells. There you go. Then if you want to unmerge, just select or point your insertion point on that merge cell and then select the split cells into rows and columns. Then just click OK. There you go. Same with this, split, then just click OK. There you go. So that's how we write and create an HTML table using the design view. Okay, so that's all for this video, and then see you in the next lectures.